Welcome to Bilbao, a vibrant city in the heart of Spain's País Vasco. Known for its unique blend of modern architecture and rich cultural heritage, Bilbao offers a captivating journey through art, cuisine, and history. As we fly over the city, we'll explore some of its most intriguing landmarks that make Bilbao a must-visit destination for travelers. Our first stop is the iconic Museo Guggenheim, a masterpiece of contemporary architecture designed by Frank Gehry. Opened in 1997, this titanium-clad museum is not only an architectural marvel, but also home to a world-class collection of modern and contemporary art. Its organic shapes and reflective surfaces create an ever-changing spectacle that captivates visitors. Don't miss the stunning puppy sculpture, a giant floral arrangement guarding the museum's entrance. Next, we glide over Casco Viejo, the charming old town of Bilbao. This historic area is a labyrinth of narrow streets filled with quaint shops, tapas bars, and the vibrant Catedral de Santiago. Known locally as the Siete Calles, it's a perfect place to experience the traditional Basque atmosphere. Be sure to indulge in some pinchos, the Basque version of tapas, at one of the lively bars. Spanning the Ria del Nervión, the Puente Zubizuri, or White Bridge, is another architectural gem designed by Santiago Calatrava. Its sleek, futuristic design and glass deck offer a striking contrast to the historic surroundings. The bridge is not only a symbol of Bilbao's transformation, but also provides stunning views of the riverbanks and cityscape. Our journey continues to the Museo de Bellas Artes de Bilbao, one of Spain's premier art museums. With a collection spanning from the 12th century to the present, it offers a comprehensive overview of the history of art. Highlights include works by El Greco, Goya, and Gauguin, making it a treasure trove for art enthusiasts. As we move through the city, we arrive at Plaza Nueva, a neoclassical square bustling with life. Surrounded by elegant arcades, it's a popular spot for locals and tourists alike to relax and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. On Sundays, the square hosts a flea market, offering everything from antiques to local crafts. Our next destination is Monte Archanda, offering breathtaking panoramic views of Bilbao. Accessible by a funicular railway, it's a perfect place to unwind and take in the beauty of the city below. Whether you visit for a picnic or a leisurely walk, the vistas from the top are truly unforgettable. Dive into the local culture at Mercado de la Ribera, one of the largest covered markets in Europe. With a vibrant atmosphere, this market is a feast for the senses, offering a wide range of fresh produce, seafood, meats, and local delicacies. It's an ideal spot to sample the flavors of the Basque Country. For sports enthusiasts, Estadio San Mamés is a must-see. Known as the Cathedral of Football, it's the home ground of Athletic Club Bilbao. With a rich history dating back to 1913, the stadium embodies the passionate spirit of Basque football. Catch a match or take a tour to experience its electrifying atmosphere. Formerly a wine warehouse, Azcuna Centroa is now a cultural and leisure center designed by Philippe Starck. It houses exhibition spaces, a cinema, a library, and even a rooftop swimming pool. The building's unique architecture and vibrant cultural offerings make it a hub of creativity and innovation. Our final stop is Parque Doña Casilda Iturrizar, a lush green oasis in the city. Known for its romantic English-style gardens, the park is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a peaceful retreat. With fountains, sculptures, and a beautiful lake, it's a favorite spot for both locals and visitors to relax and unwind. Thank you for joining us on this aerial tour of Bilbao. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the city's unique blend of tradition and modernity. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.